These are unconditionally secure, respect human rights, handle conflicts and crises constructively and peacefully. When we observe Kuwait Liberation Day, we take a part in commemorating peace and security. We create a better future by coming together to observe the Kuwait Liberation Day as we unite in constructing a great future for our countries to achieve peace and social equality. We are equally giving hope to other countries still held captive. Kuwait Liberation Day always falls on the day after the National Day, forming a two-day holiday in Kuwait. Kuwait people have made a record in the Guinness Book for making the longest flag on Kuwait National Day, caught by 4,000 students and had a parade. Family and friends get-togethers are common on this day. Public places such as Mesilla Beach and Al-Shab Leisure Park are popular hangout spots on this day. On Kuwait Liberation Day, kids play with water balloons and water guns and have fun. Kuwait honor their country by dressing up in their traditional attires. There are some historical places in Kuwait we have to remember. Kuwait National Museum, Al-Baha Entertainment Historical Village, Mirror House, and at last the Kuwait Towers. Thank you.
And all. Hope you all enjoyed the assembly. Yes,